Today, we are going to share how to get rid of dandruff overnight at home with lemon juice. Later, in this segment, we will also explain why lemon juice is the best way to get rid of dandruff naturally. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this segment, as we are going to start. For this home remedy, you will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly extracted lemon juice and cotton ball. Now, what you have to do is dab the cotton ball with the lemon juice and apply it to your scalp. After application, leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. For best results, you have to repeat this method twice a week. Note: lemon juice might cause a stinging sensation. Now, the question is, why lemon juice is the best way to get rid of dandruff naturally? Here's the answer to the question. Advocates of natural dandruff treatment believe lemons can provide vitamin C, citric acid, flavonoid, and iron, all nutrients essential to hair and skin health. It balances the pH of the scalp to keep dandruff at bay. It also strengthens hair follicles and eliminates excess oils in the scalp that lead to buildup and scalp flakes. According to a 2015 study, the citric acid present in lemon is a natural pH adjuster for the scalp. Shampoos often include citric fruits, like lemon, for their fragrant smell and ability to adjust the scalp to a 5.5 picohenries. This helps in maintaining neutrality, prevents any adverse reactions and inflammation on the skin, and also reduces the risk of dandruff. In our upcoming video, we will answer to the commonly asked question: what is the best natural treatment for dandruff? So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.